Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this videos is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Brostrend AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 extender setup in very simple and easy way. The Brostrend AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 extender is a device that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover areas with weak or no Wi-Fi. It supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology for faster speeds, better range, and more stable connections for all your devices. First of all, plug the Brostrend AX3000 into a wall power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid blue. This may take about 30 to 60 seconds. Locate the WPS button on your router. It may be labeled WPS or have a symbol like two arrows forming a circle. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for 2 to 3 seconds, then release it. The router will start searching for new devices to connect via WPS. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press and hold the WPS button on the Brostrend AX3000 extender for 2 to 3 seconds. The signal LED on the extender will start blinking blue, indicating it is trying to connect. After about 30 to 60 seconds, if the WPS connection is successful, the signal LED on the extender will turn solid blue, good signal, or solid red, weak signal but connected. This means the extender has successfully connected to your router. If it does not connect within 2 minutes, repeat steps 2 and 3. Unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Plug it into a wall outlet. Wait for the extender to boot up. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.